Diversity refers to the range of human differences, including but not limited to race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, physical abilities, socioeconomic status, religious beliefs, and cultural backgrounds. It acknowledges and embraces the unique characteristics and perspectives that individuals bring to society, organizations, and communities. In a broader sense, diversity recognizes that every person is different and deserves equal respect and opportunities, regardless of their differences. It goes beyond mere tolerance and strives for inclusivity and equity.
Diversity is essential for fostering creativity, innovation, and problem-solving. When people with different backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives come together, they bring a broader range of ideas, insights, and approaches to the table. This can lead to richer discussions, more effective decision-making, and better outcomes.